Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can disable the low battery warning on your iPhone. Now it only works if it's like a 20% like warning, but it won't work if it's a 10% warning because it only goes down to 20% if I'm not mistaken. It's not on settings, but you are just going to open up shortcuts instead. So I'm going to go to the app library and I will type in shortcuts here. Shortcuts, there we go. And I will go to the automation section here. I do have a bunch just to test stuff out, but if you don't have any, you're just going to create personal automation here. I'm sorry, select it. And then there's a bunch, but you're going to select, I think, battery level. You're going to select 20%. Maybe you can do 10%. Let's do equals to 20%, and then select next. Then you're going to add action, and I'm just going to type battery. And then you're going to select set low power mode, and it's going to automatically set it to low power mode, so they don't have to give you like the warning for you to set your phone to, I guess, a low power mode. Then you are going to select next, and then you are just going to disable the ask before running because you don't want to do that. It says don't ask before running. Whenever this automation is triggered, it will perform actions on your behalf without asking first. So you're going to select don't ask, and then you're going to select done. And hopefully after this tutorial you won't have to disable your, you don't have to have the like low battery warning. It's just going to automatically set it to low power mode. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Actually, let me show it to you one more time so that you'll know how to do it. Again, I'm just going to select the plus button, create personal automation, scroll down, go to battery level, and do the 20% equals 20%, and then select next. Add action, just type in battery again, set low power mode, and then next. Turn off ask before running, don't ask, and select done. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any issues with the tutorial, you can also leave that in the comment section as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.